Hello everyone, good morning. Let me show you a way to use images to create HTML. This can directly be used in your React code as well, Vue.js or Angular code as well. So this is just a prompt, create an HTML file with exact same look and feel. Use plain CSS because it might end up using Bootstrap, React and stuff like that, which I don't want in this case. Also, I have asked it to add a status column as well in this image. If you see, the image is nothing but a online copied image for a order table. This can be a Figma file as well. So what we do, we add this image as a context here, right? We fire up the query and we see it will start generating the HTML. Correct. In some cases you will find that when you attach image as a context, it says that I don't have the capabilities to read the image. That's where this trick comes in, where you drag and drop this image from your folder directly to your cursor or uh, Copilot or Windsurf chat box, and that will always work. So if you face this issue, please use this trick, and let's wait for the results on how it is generating the HTML, how accurate it is. We'll just wait for a moment and it should be done. So if you see here, it is writing and the HTML is written already. So we will go to our folder, we will double click the HTML to see how it opens. If you see, it is almost there, more than 90%, I would say it is there, with a status column as well, with the capsules it has created pills, right? So please use this trick when you have images from Figma. You can use it directly to get it done. You could mention the CSS framework that you are using and it will follow that. And if the image is not being attached as the context, you can drag drop the image to make it happen. Thank you.